Today I'm performing an oil change on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. Regular oil changes help protect the engine and extend its lifespan. First, I raise the vehicle and remove the lower engine oil cover for access. The old oil filter is removed and discarded. Next, I remove the oil drain plug and allow the old engine oil to fully drain. A new oil filter is installed and tightened to specification. I reinstall the oil drain plug and then torque it to factory specifications. The lower oil cover is reinstalled and secured. The vehicle is lowered back to the ground. Fresh engine oil is added according to Toyota's recommended capacity. The oil cap is installed and secured. Finally, I reset the maintenance reminder to complete the service. If this video helped, please leave a like and comment which Toyota you drive. Subscribe for more Toyota how-to videos. Thanks for watching.